So this is what it says. Welcome to Chopper City.
Yeah, welcome to Chopper City.
Well, me have to big up Christmas list or Christmas brilliance. Him go St. Lucia and him do him thing and him help me solve certain puzzle and certain things when me did need to solve. So Christmas list, you say St. Lucia is a safe island and a safe place, and I am thanking you for helping me solve my puzzle of crime, criminal and underbelly. And me I go show you, me I go prove it right here that a lot of the things when me talk about with Boosie, all of them man there, you understand, Teletubby, Scarecrow, you name it, me I go prove something to un. So listen, I want you to sit back and watch this video. And like me say, Christmas brilliance. Me thank you. Me thank you, my youth. Let's go.
Well, I don't know, this is King Lazarus, and we are representing the fullest Jamaica first, country first, the #1 YouTube channel. Yeah, man, and you don't know, Countryman are the big man on the panel, representing from Jamaica to Trinidad, the Caribbean and the whole world. Countryman don't want no more bloodshed, no we not send dead. A message we are send to all the kill them. No more bloodshed, no we not send dead. A message we are send. Hey, Countryman, tell them this, it's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight and gunshot a beat. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight, hey. Well, I don't know, this is King Lazarus, and we represent for Countryman Jamaica first, #1 YouTube channel. Make sure and keep it locked. Subscribe.
I put you on YouTube in your towel. Look on your Christmas list.
We can't see that far. It's a small camera.
Everything safe. That's okay. Everything
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I put you on YouTube in your towel. Look on your Christmas list.
We can't see that far. It's a small camera.
Everything safe. That's okay. Everything
Once again, I must thank Christmas list, cause by him going down into the hood, you understand, and mingling and meeting, him actually show me the headquarters of the Legion of Doom. Only remember who is the Legion of Doom? It's Prince, Scarecrow, and Teletubby, and the henchmen. And guess what? My youth Christmas list lead us right to the headquarters. People, see the headquarters here. Look at this greenhouse. Now, you see this house right here. Okay, this is where Prince, Teletubby, and Scarecrow, that's the headquarter for them house. Now, this house, you understand, is owned by Prince. Now, the man them have other place where them going up. But this house right here, this is the headquarter. That is Prince house. And me I call it the Legion of Doom. To Christmas list, I get a bird's eye view of the Legion of Doom headquarters. That is where all the planning and everything goes down with Scarecrow, Teletubby, you understand, and Prince. And that is Prince house. And for those of you who don't know where that place is, it's in a little hole where them call name Grass Street. Actually, Prince house, this greenhouse, it's the only wall house over there in Grass Street. Now, we're gonna move along with Christmas brilliance and the crew. And we're gonna drop right in our place right now. We name Chopper City. And me I tell you something.
So this one says, welcome to Chopper City.
Yeah, welcome to Chopper City. That is the boss of Chopper City there. You going
Okay,
up there.
okay.
Pick up there and there. Put the camera now, man. Make them
Yeah, I
see that.
can't force somebody to come on camera. If he wants to go on. I see rest in peace Buck and Shane. Chopper City boys. So this one says, welcome to Chopper City.
Yeah, welcome to Chopper City. That is the boss of Chopper City there. You going up
Okay,
there.
okay.
Pick up there and there. Put the camera now, man. Make them see
Yeah, I
that.
can't force somebody to come on camera. If he wants to go on. I see rest in peace Buck and Shane. Chopper City boys.
Now, welcome to Chopper City. Now, Chopper City has gone through a transition where now you can see on the wall where it say R.I.P. Buck, R.I.P. Shane. There is no R.I.P. Sosa, which is Danny Cat. You understand? No R.I.P. Zumboy. You have to ask yourself, why again? It's ironic because guess what? Toby have been sacrificing these young men, these youths in Grass Street, this area, for a long time. Me I tell you the truth. You know why I hear it again? There is no Zumboy and no Sosa Danny Cat. And that is because of Toby and what he has been doing in that city, Chopper City. Now with that said, me have to big up Chris Must Dunce. No, me not call him Chris Must Dunce. We have to big up Christmas brilliance. Cause guess what? Him keep it moving and him bring we to another place we want to talk about. All courtesy a Christmas brilliance. But before me move on, I must say, big up to Boosie. Respect for keeping the guys them in line and doing the right thing. One more time, big up to Boosie for keeping the guys and the man them in respect in the right line. My bad. Keeping them in line and for doing the right thing. Big up Boosie.
Christmas.
Yes,
You okay?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay.
One love.
One love, man.
All right, what is this? A mechanic?
No, man, I just look, man.
Okay, okay, okay.
Stop your vehicle, man.
Yeah. So talk to me.
Boss.
Yeah, man.
The big boss. Where are we right now? What's the name of the neighborhood?
That's the slums. We call it the slums.
Okay.
CIL.
CIL. What does it stand for?
Slums is love. Chopper City is love.
There's love. All right. Feels peaceful on a Saturday. What happens here? Later in the day, people come out, party. What happens on the weekend?
We just come.
Play domino. Yeah. Okay, it's my first day.
Just drink something.
My first day here.
Smoke.
Yeah. My first day in a new country.
I'm YouTube there.
Okay.
Christmas is a different places.
Hello. Yeah. You gotta say something to the world. The world is watching.
I don't have to say nothing to the world. What I have to say?
I don't know.
That's peace. That's peace.
Peace is good. That's good. That's a good message to share. So the road is big. We keep walking. It's just gonna keep walking.
Now the youth here leave from Chopper City, go down a cat mother and cat father shop. Look on the distance, cause me I go bring up a point. What's going on now? This are the shop, and them a talk to cat father, that a Sosa theme father. You understand? Now, cat mother they in the video too, in the shop. You see when Christmas list come up, him asks, is this a mechanic? If them fix car, and the judge said no, it's a shop. and then cat mother, their own so. Now, what me want ask, from the sign, you understand, up top there so with Buck and Shane on the wall, you honestly telling me that firearm is being discharged and you can stay from this place so, this shop right so, and see these people up there, eh? I smell a big foul. I really smell a big foul. How can you stay from the bottom of this shop right here and see all the way up by Chopper City? I smell a... So just like I said, Christmas list has really helped me prove certain things, which is facts. You understand? I am not making this up. So I really want to thank Christmas Brilliance for help me to achieve my factual proof of certain things. Now, the youths them in a them area, only if you use common sense and stop take bribe. Don't let man and man bribe or no. You know bullshit and them thing there. Only if you stop take bribe and only if you use on common sense. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.